Hello everyone. In this session, I will tell you about AWS IAM Group. Guys, what is group? An AWS group is like a digital folder where you can put multiple users who need the same permissions or access rights. Or precisely we can say an AWS group is a collection of IAM users that lets you manage permissions and access rights for multiple users at once. Instead of attaching policies to individual users, you can create groups with specific permissions and add users to these groups. This makes access management more efficient and more organized. Now let's use a real company example with three teams. So the company name is Cloud Free Incorporation and three teams: administration team, development team, database administration team. Here in this figure you see three groups are created for these three teams. First, admin group for this team, dev group for development team, then DBA group for this team. This company has initially 6 employees: Krishna, Rohit, Jack, Dev, Harry and Rahul. Now this organization has 3 distinct groups: Dev group for application development, admin group for overall AWS management, DBA group for database management. Now 3 policies are created for these 3 groups. One is attached to admin group. This is first policy, this is second policy, this is third policy, and this is attached to admin group. And because of this policy, admin group has full access to all AWS services, can manage user permissions, can monitor cost, can create, delete resources. Now one policy is attached to dev group. So this policy is attached to dev group. And because of this policy, dev group can access code repositories, can deploy applications, can use development servers, has access to development storage buckets. And one policy is attached to DBA group. This policy is attached to DBA group. And because of this policy, DBA group can manage all database services like RDS, DynamoDB, can monitor database performance, can set up and maintain database security. Here in this figure, Krishna is admin. Here in this figure, Krishna is admin. So we add Krishna to admin group. Rohit, Jack and Dev are developers. So we add these 3 users to developer group. And Harry, Rahul are DBAs. So we add Harry and Rahul to DBA groups. Here instead of attaching policies to individual users, we created groups with specific permissions. Here you see this user is attached to admin group, which is already having this policy. Here it is having this policy, here it is having this policy. So we created groups with specific permissions and add users to these groups, making access management more efficient and organized. Now let's talk about the benefits of this structure. If a new developer joins, just add them to the dev group. Like Ram is a new developer and he joins this company. So you simply add this Ram to this developer group. If someone moves from DBA to dev, just move them between groups. Suppose this Harry wants to move, or suppose this Harry now becomes developer. In that case, you simply add this Harry to this developer group, and once you add this Harry to this developer group, then this Harry will get the permissions from this policy. Now if you need to change the permissions for all developers, so just update the dev group policy. Or if you need to change permissions for all DBA teams, suppose, then just update the DBA group policies. In this way, we can easily and efficiently manage the groups and manage the teams. So this is all about group. In next session, we will see how to create such groups. Guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment below. I would like to hear your thoughts, and if you want to stay updated with more AWS and cloud computing content, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next session. Bye bye.